Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we'll be working on the RSX. We'll be changing out the rear brake pads, camber kit, and changing out the front tie rod. So let's head on over to AJ's house and we'll get started. All right, we're about to get started here. Pretty smoky day. Some of the smoke from the wildfires are blowing down to our location. So we're just gonna have to, I guess, kind of deal with it. Hopefully we don't get no type of lung cancer or some shit like that. But I'm gonna set you guys on our tripod and we're gonna get started here. Okay, good. Let me get to the other side. We gotta break this bolt right here. This one and this one. Alright, we got the old one out. See, it's all stuck, non-adjustable. And we're replacing them with the SPC. Part number is 67230. It's fine. I'm getting a alignment. I gotta lock this collar right here. Okay, I got the bolts in. Not tying all the way though. Two back here, one right here. I gotta tighten this collar right here because I didn't tighten it yet. I'll do that really quickly. The memory card ran out of space. I had to go empty it, and now we're back. I'm just tightening everything up, and then I'm gonna torque it all down and change out my rear brakes, and we should be done with this side. Torque to 43 pounds. I'll be doing so. Okay. I need to throw in this 10 mil bracket, this one right here. All right, I finally got the bolt in there. That was a pain. We are onto the driver's side. We just finished the passenger side. And I'll just do everything, the same thing I did on the passenger side. So just kind of skip this part. And we'll get back when I finish it up. All right, I think an hour has gone by and I finished the driver's side. It was a lot more stubborn than the passenger side. Not much of a difference right now. Obviously, until we get an alignment, it's not gonna change much. Right now, me and AJ are going to do the tie rods for the front. I'm gonna jack up the car and then we're gonna both do each side because it is hot as fuck right now. 97 degrees. There's a breeze, but it doesn't really help. It's smoky. All this smoke all around. And yeah, it's gonna get up to 104 in like 2 hours, so we'll try to finish fast. All right, we're back. I don't think we lasted like 40 minutes. The heat defeated us. It is way too hot. I'm really out of energy. We're just gonna take it to the alignment shop tomorrow, have them change the tie rods out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so we're back. I didn't film any of the work that was done to the RSX because I just didn't want to put a camera in their face. I will put up a picture of the before and after the alignment, and I also put up the specs that I was trying to go for. I was basically following what the forums had, and yeah, there's not much of like an appearance change on the car. I mean, not that I can tell. This is definitely not the end of the RSX. There's still a lot of things that I'm going to be doing, as I said in the first video. So please stick around to see us, work on the car. And not only my car, but AJ's car as well, the 240. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave me a comment if you think we can improve anywhere. And don't forget to get some rest. I'll see you guys in the next video.